Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add website analytics into your website. So suppose you're using a WordPress kind of a website, this is actually the tutorial for you. So before we just dive in, what exactly is Google Analytics, okay? And how can it help you in managing your website, okay? Now, um, for you to get online, one of the things that you need to do first is to create your own website, all right? But now what happens when after creating the website, what is the main thing that you're supposed to do? Building a website is same as just going and buying land somewhere, in the physical world, okay? But now, but just buying land and just leaving it there, it won't be really productive. You need to make it productive, all right, so that your investments can be recouped, and also make sure that it's bringing you some cash somehow, okay? Now, so when it comes to websites, once your website is done, it is not just an aesthetic for just people to see, oh, I have a website and everything of the sort. No, it is a place where you can now start planning your marketing and driving traffic to your website, and now start getting your own clients, right? But now, driving traffic alone to your website won't do you service if you are not really measuring your efforts, okay? And that's where now Google Analytics comes in, because you're able to filter, and it's a tool it's a free service by Google that actually give you some of the data about the kind of customers who are coming into your business, into your business website, or any kind of website that you're going to create, all right? So some of the things that Google Analytics can actually track for you is maybe it can track based on demographic. It can tell you how many, in terms of gender, how many males are coming into your website, how many probably ladies are coming into your website. Yeah, it can even show you which is the most visited pages within the website. Yes, and it can also show you in terms of devices. We have three types of devices. We have desktop, we have tablet, and we have mobile. It can actually even show you those kind of data exactly, which device is the most used when people are actually going into your website. So when you're doing marketing now, you'll have some intel, right? You won't be just doing your marketing blindly, because if you're able to measure exactly who are these kind of people are engaging in with my website, you'll be in a position now to maybe focus your budget on a specific audience, all right? So it gives you some intel, right? It's just the same way when soldiers want to go to war. They just don't go there blindly, because if you go to war blindly, of course you will lose. You need a plan for you to execute. Same as how football players, before they go to a match, they have a coach. The coach has to give them a plan, all right? So that's actually the work of analytics. It gives you a way. It gives you a way of measuring data into your system, right? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how, in case for the viewers who are using WordPress, I'm going to show you how you can actually integrate Google Analytics into your website. Before much further ado, I want to also showcase to you another Google software that is very essential when it comes to things data measurement and analytics. And that tool, it's called Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Yeah, so we have Google Search Console. This is also another tool that you are able to use in tracking your data and everything, right? So with Google Search Console, it as much as the analytics is a way of actually measuring data, right? Now with Search Console, it gives you the specific things. What exactly, how for somebody to come to your website, people use keywords to find the solution to their problems, all right? So if you happen to do some SEO optimization on your website, you are highly likely to rank at the top or in the first page, all right? So search analytics actually gives you which are these kind of keywords that people are using to actually probably find your website, all right? And then now with that intel, now you're able to even double down into your SEO optimization and get to attract as much traffic as you can, right? Yeah. So just to give you an overview of how Google Search Console looks like, let me just show you. It looks kind of like this, all right? But of course, in this video, I just wanted to show you how to do the setup, and then I'll do a separate video getting to explain these individual Google services, which are so powerful, the Google Analytics and Google Search Console. I'll dive into a deeper video just talking about Google Search Console alone, how to use it, how it works and everything, and also analytics. Now, without much further ado, let's get started. I'm assuming that for the viewers who are watching this video, you have already set up your website using WordPress, right? So if you have a WordPress website, it's much easier, right? So what you do, you just make sure you're able to log in into your dashboard, which is the back end of the website, all right? So from the back end of the website, what you're supposed to do is just scroll down and go to plugins, all right? So from plugins, this is what you do. Oh, and one more essential thing before I forget. For you to actually, for you to synchronize, or for you to integrate your website with Google services, one of the requirements is you're supposed to have a Gmail account. That is very essential, all right? Otherwise it won't work. So you have to designate, if you're a business, you have a website, you need to have a designated Gmail account for the business, right, that you're going to use so that you can sign up for Google services, which are Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So right now, as you can see here, I'm actually using a client's Gmail email to access these services. Right now, let's get started. So from here, once you're actually on the plugin section, you just come here and click add new plugin. All right, from here you click search plugins, and what the kind of plugins, the plugin that you're looking for, it's called Google Sitekit. Very important. These are very important tool for you to actually access the Google services. As you can see, it's Sitekit by Google, and once you sign up, you're able to access Analytics, Search Console. There's also AdSense and Speed Insight. All right, so I just click here, install now. Give it a few seconds. And then once it's installed, you now activate. Okay, so once you activate, the next thing you're gonna do is you need to start setup. It actually gives you this notification, says congratulations, the Sitekit plugin is now activated. So I'll just come here and start the setup. Right, it takes me now to this Sitekit dashboard, and one of the things it's asking me, we need to connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So you need to check this so that you can activate Google Analytics to track how much traffic you are getting and how people navigate into your site. The next checkbox is not a must, so just proceed and click sign in with Google. Right, yeah, so from here I'll just pick my the email, and of course, if your account is set up with OTP, then you need to, of course, tap on that one, probably if you're using your phone, and then you can continue. So once you've accepted the prompt, just click continue, and of course select all, click continue again, verify, so maybe I could just explain what Google Sitekit is. It's actually a plugin by Google, and you know, the old way of actually integrating Google services with WordPress was a bit hectic. It was, for a normal person, it would be a bit technical, so they decided to build their own software which can allow anybody, whether you are a technical person or don't know anything to do with technology. Yes, so they've actually made the process easy, right? So we'll continue. I'll click allow, then from there click setup search console. From there I'll click setup Google Analytics, click next. Yes, and voila, as you can see, analytics, your analytics account has been created. So you just need to verify and click create, and then of course sign in again, click continue, allow analytics, click continue again, give it a few seconds. It takes you now to the analytic websites. This is where you're supposed to now accept terms and conditions. Give it a few seconds. Yeah, so from here you just put in the country that you're in right now. So I'll just press Kenya, and then you have this place here you need to accept terms and conditions. No need for this, just go straight to accept. All right. Now, as you can see, Sitekit has already installed analytics account successfully. So you can just click here to go back to your dashboard, right? Takes you back to your WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, congrats on completing the setup for analytics. So I'll just click OK, got it. And then now Search Console and Analytics are gathering data. So automatically this Sitekit installs for you Search Console and Analytics. All right, so we give it a few, probably give it like a day for now Google Sitekit and Analytics now to start gathering some data, and then over time you're able now to start seeing streams of data within this dashboard. All right, yeah. So before I go, I just wanted to show you how the Sitekit looks like once all the data is gathered. So just give me a second. I move on to my own website so that I can show you exactly how data is actually shown. Right? Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how my Sitekit dashboard looks like, so that you're able to see it in action once you have integrated. Right? Yes. So as you can see, this is how the dashboard looks like. You're able to see search traffic over the last 28 days. This is like probably a month. It shows you like I have like 376,000 impressions. Okay, impressions are like when people are searching something, they saw your website on Google search. All right, and out of the 376, only 13,000 were able to click and go to your website. Right, so it gives you also this graph just to show you how traffic has been flowing through your website. You're able to track that, and just go down. It even shows you some of the search queries that people are using to come into your website. So as you can see for mine here, The top query is how to register a company in Kenya or how to register a business in Kenya, which means that if somebody is searching this, let's just search this keyword. I just want to see how I'm ranking from Google, right? So I can, as you can see, Google is telling me that my average position is number 3. So let's just confirm. So as you can see here, this is number 1. This is the first website that is ranking for the same keyword. Then there's this second one, steps to register a business name, and then now I'm the third one. And that's the reason why when you get to here, when you see top search queries on your website, it actually shows you. You see, now when you have this data, you're able now to optimize further and get to know, okay, maybe I could talk about this topic even more, right? So that's how it goes, right? Yes. So hope this video was helpful, and probably in our next video, maybe I could talk about analytics by itself, and also search console by itself. That's it, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.